Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 4. Let's go to our quiz. Is oil a lipid? Yes. All nucleotides contain the same kind of dash groups. Phosphate. Is glycogen composed of many simple sugar molecules? Absolutely. Not a component of amino acid. Hydrocarbon tail. A dash holds the twisted or folded secondary shape of a protein together. Hydrogen bond. The primary use of dash is as a source of energy. Carbohydrate. When a nitrogen base becomes bonded to a sugar that is bonded to a phosphate, the resulting molecule is called a dash. Nucleotide. Carbon is the main essential element of macromolecules because it can create up to dash single bonds. 4. The monomer for carbohydrates are monosaccharides. Over 96% of all living matter is made of 6 essential elements: oxygen, carbon, sulfur, dash, dash, dash. Hydrogen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. The 4 nucleotides in a DNA molecule differ from one another only in the kind of nitrogen bases they contain. Knowledge of the natural world and the observable universe. science. Evidence that is based on an observation. Empirical evidence. A question that can be answered by doing an experiment. Testable question. Cannot be answered by doing an experiment. Non-testable question. Good scientific investigations use a repeatable process, testable questions, and empirical evidence. Statement or belief that claims to be science, but it is not actually true science. Pseudoscience. What are examples of pseudoscience? Astrology, phrenology, and superstitions. Application of scientific knowledge. Technology. Process of using living systems, organisms, and parts of organisms to develop a product. Biotechnology. Examples of biotechnology: GMOs, vaccines, and bioinformatics. Evaluating testable questions. Scientific methods. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for using or trying out Biology Master Part 4. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.